Meaning of eclampsia.
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 Eclampsia. Eclampsia is a serious complication that can occur during pregnancy, typically in the third trimester or shortly after delivery. It is characterized by seizures or convulsions, high blood pressure, and other symptoms such as headache, blurred vision, and abdominal pain. If left untreated, eclampsia can lead to significant harm to both the mother and baby, including brain damage, organ failure, and even death. Therefore, prompt medical intervention and close monitoring are necessary to manage the condition and ensure the best possible outcome for both the mother and baby.